Today we're given cameras and asked to take pictures around the campus.
Today is our first day of photography. I'm in my 300 level year, so most of the stuff I've already done. My partner Matt, I'm giving him the camera. It's really cool, just walking around, letting him take pictures, telling him about what I usually do when I take pictures, the usual things that everyone else does. It's a lot of fun today.
Alright, so I'm working with Logan, and he's a 300 level student, so he's teaching me how to work the camera and how to get good angles of pictures and how to take different types of pictures, and it's spectacular.
Well, today we're reviewing photography. Today's lesson was about exposure and aperture and shutter speed and how they affect how your picture looks.
Be about, again, equidistant apart. That's pretty good. Okay, Taylor. All right, good. Now, for your group, select one photographer to go first. Once that's done, have the person who's going to take the pictures come in front, snap a picture of your face. All right, here we go. Go. Make sure you center frame. So we have you running.
Yeah.
She did pan, okay? You're not center frame, so this picture would fail anyway. Okay? So what's happening is we're not getting a blurred background. So what specifically do you need to set in order to get a blurred background?
A slower shutter speed.
A slower shutter speed.
And it needs to be zoomed out.
Yeah.
And for the second picture, we had to just follow the subject. And the background needs to be blurred when you're taking the picture.
When you're panning, and you shouldn't be pushing down the handle anyway. So it's going to be very, very fluid. Don't put too much pressure on the tripod or the camera, and then just fluid, same speed as the runner, and take a picture. It's actually really, really simple.
And shallow or great?
Shallow. No. Great.
That's right. F-stop?
5. 26.
That's right.